Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a peach and blueberry cobbler. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
This recipe is so quick and easy to make. To start, tip a whole can of peach slices without the syrup into a baking dish. Then add in 1 cup of blueberries, a 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix well and set aside. In a bowl, add in 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Mix until well combined. Next, add in 50 grams of cubed butter, and mix it through the flour by pressing the flour and the butter together until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add in a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, mix until a shaggy dough forms. Tip out onto a work surface and form into a rough circle. Cut into 8 pieces and roll each piece into a ball and flatten it out slightly. Place the flattened out ball on top of the filling. And continue to do this for the rest of the dough mixture. Brush on a beaten egg. And sprinkle 1 tablespoon of brown sugar on top. at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Dish up a nice helping of the blueberry and peach cobbler and serve it with whipped cream. Enjoy!